putting in a new Cobb short shifter. I've already removed the reverse selector underneath. There's this guy. You punch out the pin that goes in there. There's a spring under it, that guy there. And there's the roll pin. And you just simply grab the trim here and the dash, pop it out, pull it, the boot around the shifter, off it goes. Nice and simple. And the shifter, the boot here, white little tabs. It comes off, and then we have access to the shifter.
A few moments later.
Alright, I got it all in there. Install this little Phillips there and the two back in there, and put the center console back together. And yeah, be ready to shift.
So Jesse's 240 ended up here, unfortunately, because his KA quit. So we're gonna put that S14 SR20 into it instead.
Give your friend a meniscus, then he can't drink it. Oh, that's a nice meniscus, buddy.
S14 SR20, S13 SR20, 1JZ non-VVTI, 2JZ. What's up, you guys? Like and subscribe, comment below, hit the bell button beside the subscription button so you make sure you get all the notifications. What's up, YouTube? Hey YouTube, what's up, you guys? Hey you guys, what's up, you guys on YouTube? Hey YouTubers, hey platform fam, hey plat fam. I can hit you right now. I'm gonna put that in the vlog. Quinn from Speed Hero got a new car, and we want to help him out with this project, so we've got a couple goodies for him. Wow. Nice.
Yeah, the tires are roasted. Tires are roasted.
This is amazing.
This is an automobile.
Nice car.
Hi. Hello, thank you. Da-da-da-da! Look at these things. We're getting all the top. I don't even know what Pentafrost is. What the hell is Pentafrost? Oh my god.
We did it. The things.
Fully synthetic. You like me. Oh my god. I was expecting semi-synthetic from Canadian Tire, but
I felt like getting Castrol, but
you want to see engine?
well, there's this engine, and is there another engine?
There's the engine.
Whoa.
Da, 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 da.
That's a skid pan, right?
It functions as that, yeah.
Yeah, that's a skid pan.
Depending on your rally. I mean, if you're Patrick Sear, yeah.
Oh my god, those things are tough.
Wait, stay there, stay there.
I'm staying here.
Special code if you want.
We want to show the world.
Yeah. There you go, you'll find motor. It's almost in the car. Like it's social
It's close.
distancing from
It's
the-
just socially distanced from the
Pretty accurate.
engine bay.
Yeah, it's really 7.
Nice. Speed Hero treats. Wow.
It lives just enough.
Just so you guys know what we're doing, we are changing the fuel rails down there to some radium ones. I'm just going to start taking apart some of this stuff and going to try and record it, which easier said than done. Nice, you got the intake off camera. I guess so.
Is it the YouTubes?
Yeah, this is gonna go on the vlog. I can't see you. There's too much. This exposure's all fucked up.
Shout out Moist Boys.
Oh my god, no, none of that shit. None of that. Adam, Noah, Ben, you guys owe me like fucking $300.
What's this guy doing?
SR.
Oh.
SR 20 time. Do you approve?
Yeah, I approve it.
Oh, nice. Nelson approves.
That's popping me.
Well, now we can continue because we have Nelson's group.
Can we stay open even? Like, do you approve that we even like are open and doing business?
No, I don't.
Special bugs here, make sure that doesn't fall on my head.
He's got a fancy jacket on as well. Oh, what's it covered by? Wow.
Little flag for the shop, maybe?
Nice. Hell yeah, you know it.
Sick.
Thanks, dude.
That right there, no worries.
Stoked.
So these are a couple extras. These are the special editions.
Oh, limited.
Had some women's random shirts kicking around, so I printed some of those. That big
Giveaways.
stack of, yeah, take a look
Wow. And these will be up on the online store. Well, hopefully, yeah, by the time you guys see this vlog, this will all be online.
there. Yeah. Probably looks great with all the light right behind us.
It's actually coming in perfect. Sick. Right on. Thanks, Daryl. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, I'll have these live on the web store. The link will be in the description below. That's shop.platformgarage.com, or you can get there. Through Facebook as well. Thanks, Daryl.
No worries, man.
Thanks, man.
See you later. Peace.
Afro's RC is officially open. We're here today. This is the first day it's actually been legitimately open to the public.
Haha.